This is a tutorial video on how to adjust the sensitivity of the trigger plate on the Folding Animal Trap item number 44320. Your optimum height for the trigger plate should be around 1.75 inches to 2 inches from the ground to the top of the trigger plate. If less, it will need an adjustment. To adjust, first remove this trigger rod. Then straighten the bend to the left. Once complete, reattach the trigger rod, then arm the trap and check the height of the trigger plate. Remember, it should be 1.75 inches to 2 inches. Now check the trap for sensitivity by tripping the trigger plate. Adjust the bend if necessary.